are the Big Units road trip. We're wrapping it up. We're getting ready to head home. But had to take a little step into Kansas. First time I've ever been in Kansas. And I see along the roadways in Kansas and Missouri, they have all these places called Casey's General Store. And they're a gas station and kind of old-fashioned style gas station. And we're in the town of Galena, Kansas, where they have a beautiful Coke mill. I mean, that takes you back. I mean, that's like what America looked like 100 years ago. Well, Casey's has their own soda brand. And we're going to see if they're better than generic or how good they are. They have like 5 different flavors, 5, 6 different flavors. I got a bunch of them that you'll be seeing reviews coming soon. But the first one I want to try here is this Casey's Moon River. Moon River. Or Mountain River. Mountain River. Soda from Casey's. Will it be good or will it suck? Alright, so let's try this soda. Casey's Mountain River Soda. Brand, brand, brand. Da-da, boom, 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 boom. Ah, 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 ah. Does have a little bit of a Mountain Dew vibe to it, which doesn't surprise me. I mean, that's what they're going for. It's not bad at all. I'm gonna give it a 7.7.